The latest Dassault Systèmes 3D Experience platform delivers an elegant, powerful business experience environment. Role-based functionality lets users easily access all the apps they need with one click, and self-defined 3D dashboards streamline collaboration for both users and management across industries to create innovative consumer experiences. Companies around the world today well understand the need to utilize realistic simulation as a core business process to reduce cost, increase product performance, and power sustainable innovation for product, nature, and life. The 3DEXPERIENCE platform provides a simulation data management foundation with a common user interface for everyone, serving both occasional users and simulation experts. In addition, users can capture, manage, reuse, and share simulation methods throughout the enterprise. For decision makers, the 3DEXPERIENCE platform provides technology to view and analyze simulation results on both desktop and mobile devices. Part designers and product engineers who only occasionally require simulation are provided with guided workflows, enabling access to powerful simulation technology without requiring expert knowledge. For power users, our most advanced multi-physics, multi-scale, and multi-body simulation technologies are at the core of 3DEXPERIENCE simulation. The 3DEXPERIENCE simulation portfolio provides a collaborative environment, both on-premise and on cloud, for modeling, assembly, solution, and visualization of anything. From small single-part models to the most complex assemblies facing customers today. With 3DEXPERIENCE, simulation is now fully integrated with design, engineering, testing, and manufacturing, bringing the virtual and real worlds together to power innovation and business into the future. Available on-premise and in public or private cloud, Dassault Systèmes 3DEXPERIENCE platform is a business experience platform that enables our clients to create delightful experiences from design to point of sale for their ultimate customers or consumers. For more information, please explore our website or contact sales for a personal demo.